I get that. On kara?
Yeah, lock screen.
Lock screen में करा.
हाँ हरी रे काय गंड. Hi guys, this is Lahiru here. Today we got two new interesting devices. I have here with me the Huawei Y7 2018 and the Huawei Y9 2018. Alright, so feeling the two devices, the Y7 actually feels a bit lighter, but more or less the same. But the Y9 of course feels a bit bulky, but since it is big phone nowadays, that's what you can expect, right? Okay, so one more thing you can actually notice with the two devices is that the Y9 actually has a fingerprint scan, while the Y7 does not. But the interesting thing is, I've been told both the devices come with Face ID. So let's see how, as we go on, we can see how this works out. Let's take a closer look at the Y7. So I'm just going through the settings here. The Huawei Y7 actually comes with, Android Audio. It has a Snapdragon 430 processor, 3 GB of RAM, and its screen is 1040 x 720. Yeah, that's pretty much it what you can get. Looking at the camera, let's take a look. Alright, the camera seems to be pretty good, first impression. Let's take a look. Alright. Okay, front camera, let's take a look at the selfie camera now. Alright, so one interesting thing you see here is that it has a mirror version, some sort of. You can actually take a mirror version of your selfie. That's whatever. Alright, so now let's take a look at the Y9 now. Alright, so the Y9 actually, of course, with the Y7 comes with audio, you can expect the Y9 to also come with audio as well, right? The Y9 Pro shares similar specs, but what's different here is the CPU comes with the Kirin 659 processor, which is Huawei's own processor, mind you. Screen comes with 2160 to 1080 resolution. Okay, let's take a look at the camera now. Alright, seems to okay. The Y9 seems to have a bit better camera here. Let's see. Oh, right, okay. Let's take a look at the selfie camera. Alright, so obviously the Y9 has a much better camera here. So that's pretty much it for our first impressions. Now, both these devices look pretty interesting so far. I mean, I was told these are mid-range phones. But then again, for a mid-range phone, these look pretty good. Like, first impression of the camera was pretty great. Do stay tuned. I'll be using these two devices as my daily drivers in the coming weeks, so you will see a full review pretty soon. But until then, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, they're pretty good wallpapers. Yeah, I got the blue phone for shit.